Look at this ginormous Kit Kat. It's fallen right from the heavens. My half is silver. And mine's gold. Don't hog it. I want a bite. What have you done? Look at us. Sarah, where'd you go? I'm done with the aftermath of that explosion. Before we get into it, we need to tidy up a bit in here. I don't really think that's necessary. Better to dig in already. Ooh. Wow, silver gummy eyeballs. Hey, Emma, look over here. What kind of silly joke is that? Stop messing around. All right, calm down. I'm just trying to have some fun. Let's go ahead and lift these lids and get to eating things. Well, that was fast. A real speed record for eating candy eyes. I'm not sure I can live up to that performance, though. Not a bad start. Well done. It looks like there's a smudge on this one. I should wipe them all down. I had no idea you were such a clean freak, but I can use that to my favor. Huh? Emma, stop! That is highly unsanitary. Just look at how filthy those are. My expertise tells me that they're dangerous even. I need to confiscate these now.
Oh no!
Really? Oh goodness, I had no idea that was the case. In the name of safety, these gummy candies will be destroyed. This bites. I was really looking forward to them. So sorry, but I'll take the bullet for you. Delish. What? You tricked me!
Huh? Hey!
It was just a little joke. Don't be so dramatic. Wow! Wow! Where'd this huge box come from? I don't know what I should go for first. But I guess I'll lift my lid. So I just put all these burger ingredients right into the box? Why not see what happens? Sarah, what's going on? Wow! We're about to find out.
Okay.
Whoa! The magic box made me a golden burger. It tastes divine. That looks amazing. What do I have? Ooh, the same start as you did. Great. I'm gonna toss all this inside here as quick as can be. Wow! Wow, it's working. Emma, give me a hand, would you? Just lift it up. Ooh, my shiny silver burger is ready. I'm so excited. Ew, what's that awful taste? How'd a piece of foil end up in there?
What?
I'm not risking eating anymore. I guess something went sort of wrong while it was being prepared. Good thing mine is perfect. I wouldn't be so sure about that. On second thought, hand me some sauce, Emma. I'll give my dish another shot and fix yours while I'm at it. Let's see how you like this. Here you go, Sarah. Thanks so much. This will fix everything, I'm sure. So much better. I'm happy that you're happy now. Both of us can really enjoy our meals, I guess, then. Well, that's strange. I can't sink my teeth into mine. I don't understand. Huh? Sarah, how'd this get here? Haven't a clue. Me first. Why? I want to. No, me. Fine, if you insist on being rude. Gold cookies? Amazing! They look like tons of gold coins. Only thing missing is milk. Ooh. The perfect combination. Sarah, stop staring at me already. I wasn't staring. I've got my own dish. Thank you very much. Whoa, and it's even better. I'm happy with what I have. Good, that means you won't get in my way. So much frosting. I'm diving right in. That looks disgusting. Who cares? Still tastes great. And you were right. This definitely needs milk. And I'll require a whole bucket of it for my cookie. Bombs away. Oh, Sarah, don't! I told you not to drop it like that.
Okay.
I'm definitely going first this time. Wow, silver donuts. I don't think you'll be able to pick them up so easily. Got my trusty magnet. They must be glued to the table. I can't grab any of them. All right. I'll help you out. Ah, they're flying. And now I'm left with just the one. That's what you get, Emma. Now I'll just sit here and starve. I hope I get to eat something. Wow, that will be more than enough to fill me up. You could share, you know. Gimme. No, it's mine. Let's look together. What a huge syringe. I've never seen anything like this. But what's inside? Can I give yours a taste? Why not? Ooh, I like it. Thanks. And now let's see what's in mine. Also yummy. Okay, return the favor.
Okay.
No problem. I am a champion shooter after all. Open wide. Emma, you completely missed my mouth. I'm soaked now.
Hey!
Sorry, it was an accident. Let me try one more time. No, thank you. Now look at me.
Oh, come on!
That makes us even. I suggest we help each other out this time. I think we both got the same kind of pizza. That's weird. They're so plain. But I can change that. I'll just sprinkle some gold on top.
Okay.
Just look at how well this is working. I can't wait to try a slice. Gold goes perfectly with pizza. Who knew? Oh, I'm drooling uncontrollably. I need to add some toppings to my pizza too. I'll just follow Emma's lead for that. Hey, that's not what I was going for at all. Nuts and bolts aren't appetizing in the least bit. Careful not to chip a tooth if you're brave enough to take a bite. Sarah, look what we've got. Coca-Cola. I'll take this bottle. So refreshing. Weird, my drink is awfully thick. All done. Emma, what happened?
What?
I think I got a chocolate beverage, not soda. Chocolate? Really? I want to try. Ooh, it's delicious. Uh-oh, this can't be good. Help!
Okay.
My intuition is telling me that we've got lots of chocolatey goodness coming. You're right. Check out my giant chocolate burger. I've got the original, and I'm not mad at it. That's because you haven't tried mine. That's what you think. I prefer the classics. I've almost eaten the whole thing. That was wonderful. I'm just about done too. Just some lettuce left. And that's all we get?
Oh, man!
Bingo!
Ooh, I still have some sauce left here. Why just lick the plate when you can scarf that down too? Oh, and I can't forget about my fork. It's also made of chocolate. Well, then my fork must be edible too. Oh no, my teeth.
Oh no! What?
Poor Emma. Don't worry, hon. I've got an idea. Open up real wide. We're gonna fix that smile.
Okay.
A miss. Oh well. That was just a warm-up. Doesn't count. I think everything is back in place. I'm as good as new. I told you it would all work out. Chips, not too shabby. Though they could use some sauce. This will do nicely. Perfect.
Okay.
Whoa, isn't that stuff spicy?
Bingo!
I'm looking at some rather strange potatoes. I think I need to improve these. What are you doing, Emma?
What?
You'll see soon enough. Voila! Chocolate french fries.
Awesome!
That's more like it. Wanna try one, Sarah? Those really are great. But I'm not stopping there. Watch and learn. Chocolate Pringles to match yours. There are so many dishes you can make with potatoes.
Mommy?
You're a magical chef. Let us toast to your unparalleled success. Oh, the spice is finally kicking in. I told you that Tabasco was a bad idea. Thanks, Emma. Weirdly, that helped. Let's see what's under these lids. Light bulbs?
What?
I don't think it would be wise to eat this. I've got a bulb too, but it's much darker than yours. Just as I suspected. Maybe mine's worth tasting too?
What?
You're powering it, Sarah! Holy cow! I could really save on electricity this way.
Okay!
I want to do that! Watch and learn. You're shocking me! Sorry, I didn't mean to. But while you recover from that, I'll take this. I don't think you'll mind. I'm kicking things off this time. Oh wow, chocolate coins.
Mommy?
And that means I've got a fat stack of cash. I'm rich.
Hey!
They do.
I'm thinking I still got the better end of the deal here. You've got to be kidding me. I can treat myself to anything with this. Maybe I'll even bathe in it. Oh, enough daydreaming. Time to get to business. It's fake? You got your hopes up for nothing.
Wow!
Is this a hint that we need to do our hair? Well, not me. My portion is chocolatey, so I'll just snack on it. What does that leave me to do?
Aw, forget it.
Bingo!
Well, a trim here and there might not be so bad. And maybe some bangs. Sarah, you should really stop. What are you talking about? This is going great. I can give you a cut too.
Oh, no!
No friggin' way. Hands off.
Oh!
Haha, me first. What a lovely piece of cheese. And for the second reveal, yay, nothing but sugar for me. I'm so lucky. Smells heavenly. Emma, won't you share a little with me?
Hey!
Ow! It's rude to try and touch other people's food. Fine, you're right.
Bingo!
But I want to improve my serving, and I know how. Yes, right away, please. Where are you going? My order's here. Hand it over. Phew, I got it. A whole plate of yummy pasta. The only thing missing is cheese, which I just happen to have. Pasta? Nice thinking. Finally, I'll be able to really stuff myself. That looks good. You noticed, huh? I'll give you a smell. But the eating goes to me.
Okay.
Fine then. What? Why am I wearing a dress? Oh, I think I get it. I need the right outfit to go with this new shoe. Enjoy the pain that brings you. Me, I'm chomping on the tastiest heel in the land. I have to try it on. Oh, the perfect fit. I feel like a real-life princess. Is that what I think it is? The matching shoe. Milady, may I?
Oh, baby.
If this slips onto your delicate foot, that means that we were made for one another. Give me your hand and come away with me. Where are you going? You don't even know that guy. I'm so happy right now. I met my prince. You have no idea how happy I am. I hope you're tasty.
What?
Ah, Finally, I get a bite to eat.